Hey, hello everyone. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. So this is very important session on the data types. In this session, we will take one quiz. In that quiz, we have a total 10 questions. If we are able to solve that quiz, it means we are understood all the data type concepts clearly. If we are not able to solve any one of the question without taking any help, or if we have taken any help for solving those questions, it means we need to revisit the previous videos. So yeah, before starting the quiz, okay, I am just revising all the data type concepts within a 2 minute. After that, we will start a quiz. So Python supports lots of data types like numeric, dictionary, boolean, set and sequence. Inside numeric, we have a three data types: integer, float, complex. X is equal to 10. This is a whole number, so this is a integer. Y is equal to 10.5. Here we have a decimal point, so this is a float. And if we have a real plus imaginary portion like Z is equal to A plus B or 2A plus 3 or only 3C, so such data types are called as a complex data type. In Python, there is no particular range for any data type. You can store any large number inside a any variable, but this is not applicable to other programming language. Boolean supports two values, true and false. Inside sequence, we have three data types: string, list, tuple. String is a collection of character. While declaring a data type or while declaring a variable in Python, we don't need to declare any data types like int, float, character like your other programming language. We have to directly start with a variable name and assign a value. So string is a collection of sequence of characters. List having a homogeneous as well as heterogeneous elements. So it is like an array. Okay. Tuple is similar to a list, but it is immutable, while the list is mutable. So we can update the value of list, while in tuple we cannot update the value. String, list and tuple, all the elements can be accessed by using index. So that's why they are under sequence. Positive as well as negative index we can use to access the element. Set is unordered because it is not maintaining a sequence, while list, string, tuple, they are maintaining a sequence. Set is immutable, but we cannot access it by using an index. Dictionary, we have taken one example of person. Person has lots of properties like person name, age, its address, phone number. So all those properties are called as a key and their respective values are their actual values. So those all details, key and value, are stored into a dictionary. So dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. I hope this is clear to you. So without wasting a time, I am directly starting a quiz. So for quiz we have some assumptions. So we have to finish the quiz or finish each question within a 15 second. Okay, so this is a website which I have implemented, a to z techie.com. So I will share its URL into a description. Here you can see multiple languages are added into a menu like SQL, Python, Spark, AWS. If you want to learn those programming also, then you can click on that respective menu and you can go through all the blocks which I have written. Here there is one additional menu, that is Logic Lab. When you click on Logic Lab, inside Logic Lab there are a multiple quiz. So today we are solving only a quiz on data types. Okay, so I am starting a quiz. We have to solve each question within a 15 second and submit an answer. Okay, so yeah, our time start now. What data type is used to represent whole number in Python? Integer, float, string, boolean. Stop. Here the answer is integer. We know string is a collection of characters or sequence of characters. Boolean supports true and false value and float having a decimal value. So the whole number is stored in integer. Start. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Python? Tuple, list, dictionary, array. We have a 15 second. Yeah, stop. The answer is array. Array is not supported in Python. As we know, inside a sequence we have a string, list and tuple. Okay, and dictionary is storing key and value, but there is no array data type. Which data type is mutable in Python? Tuple, string, list, integer. Stop. So the answer is list. As we know, we can access tuple by using index, but we cannot change value. When we update the value of string, every time it will create a new object. Same about the integer float. So the mutable object in Python is list and set. But here we have only one answer, that is list. Next. What is the result of expression type of 3.14? Int, string, float, bool. Stop. Type of 3.14. So type function is used to identify the actual data type of that value or variable. So here 3.14 is a float value. So the answer will be float. Which data type is used to represent a collection of elements with unique values in Python? List, tuple, set, dictionary. Stop. The answer is set. List, tuple having a duplicate elements. Key dictionary is a key value pair. So the unique values in Python is stored in a set. If we add any duplicate value into set, it will automatically skipped. It will not give an error. It will automatically skipped. What function is used to convert a string to an integer in Python? Yeah, stop. So here we haven't seen this concept. This is called as a conversion, implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Implicit conversion means sometimes other programming language automatically convert the higher precision number into a lower precision number. Okay, lower precision number into higher precision number. It means if I store a 10 value and declared a float variable, so the 10 automatically stored into a float. But this is not about the Python. Okay, so Python automatically detect its data type. Sometimes we need to convert the value into other data type. So let's assume I have stored 3 into a variable, but I have assigned while assigning a 3 I have used a single quote. That means this is a string value. So Python doesn't know what is this, so it will say that this is a string value. So if we have to convert such value into other data types, then at that time we need to use a constructor of the target class, target object. So here target object is an integer. So what we will use? We will use integer constructor. So now string to int we will use int. String to float, what we will use? Float. If we have to convert float to int, then we'll use int. If we have to convert int to string, then we will use string class or string function. Okay, here the answer is int. What data type is used to represent a sequence of character in Python? Right, string. Which data type is used to represent a mapping of keys to values in Python? Right, dictionary. Key values. What is the result of expression type of true? Boolean support two value, true and false. So the answer will be Boolean. Which function is used to check the data type of variable in Python? Yes, type of function is used to check the data type of variable in Python. So if we submit the result, submit the quiz, we will get a result. This is a result page, and here I can see all the answers are correct. If you have used your credentials to log in, then definitely you will receive an email. Okay, so yeah, so let me open. Yeah, so yeah, initially I have told that. So if we are not able to solve all the questions, or we need to take any help for solving any questions, then definitely we have to revisit our previous videos which we have mostly prepared on a data type, part 1 to part 6. Yeah, so Python support lots of operator like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, bitwise, identity, and membership operators. These are a very important operators. We'll see all these operators in next session. Okay, so yeah, see you in next session. Thank you.